Hi guys, Paul and Ryan here at PA Outdoors Couple. We are over here at the campsite of Masten. Masten was a lumber camp, ghost town kind of thing. And apparently in the 25 years that it was operating, it made 500 million board feet of lumber, which is pretty impressive. But we're not here because of that. We're here to hide the 50 subscriber mug and new channel sticker. Yeah, so check that out. And wanted to say everybody thank you for subscribing. We're about the 60 subscriber mark right now over in Columbia County too, hitting a bunch of different places, and country stores. Gonna throw some things in there for you guys too if you don't get a chance to get out here. But I want to say a big thank you and shout out to the Weavers from Pleasant Gap area. They have found the first channel sticker we hit over at RB Winter State Park. So big congrats to them, and a big congratulations on their anniversary when they found it. I want to say it was the 33rd anniversary. I could be wrong. I'm quite stupid. So anyway, let's check out the rest of the area, and I'll meet you over where we're going to hide this. Cheers. Hi guys. Hey, we're over here now. This is the great fireplace at the entrance to the camping area. The camping area, if you want to do a little spinaroonie, it's pretty cool. All these, obviously they're very old now, but hand-planted trees and stuff. Very cool area. And the creek is right over there. In the distance now and again, we can hear the drumming of the grouse, which is pretty cool. Spring is here in PA, and everything's getting green for sure. Back again. All right, so here it is, and we're gonna probably place this, I'm thinking, in the inside here, so if no one sees it, at least it's out of the way of the fire. The only thing hopefully won't get damaged is this, but so the sticker's on the outside, bugs in the middle. If you see it, let us know. Cheers, here we go. There she be. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. No. And thanks to everybody for subscribing, liking, commenting. It's really important, really helps us out a lot. We just do this because we love Pennsylvania and places like this. And thanks for coming along with the ride. We'll see you on the next 50. And let's keep on going. This is Paul and Ryan. Say hi.
Hi.
PA Outdoors Couple. Get outdoors. Cheers.